Hi, once again, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you how you can earn $5 every 20 seconds of your time with 100% free way. And this is really awesome and easiest way to earn money online if you work daily. But before that, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's move on to the method by which you can earn $5 every 20 seconds of your work or less. You can earn it like 10 seconds, but you will earn decent amount of money daily if you work really well. But for that, I'm going to show you some sites that you already know from where you can get money from it. And the first site is People Per Hour. People Per Hour is, you already know, is a freelancer site that has a lots of freelancers around the world who does some projects, some works for you if you pay them for it. And if I go over to their search section and if I search it like background removal job, background removal, and they're going to show you all the projects, all the gigs that are related to background removal, and see freelancers around the world are making money using background removing. And I'm going to show you some tools really great that you can use, and professionally you can remove those backgrounds and earn decent amount money within some seconds. Yeah, this is cool, but stay tuned with my video. So let's move on. You can see people are asking $10, $15 and more, $25 for removing those type of backgrounds. And all over the world, many buyers around the world out there who needs some background work done for them, and like this they need some models to remove background of it, and they need those models. And this is a high demand job. People always love to order it, and there is a better potential opportunity to earn money from this. And if you just for instance click any project and any gigs, and you can see this guy over here, he got already 900 sales for $10, and this is really cool. If it's already he's earned $9,000 from removing these backgrounds. These are simple works. I can show you. You can do it daily and you can get money from it. And all you have to do is using the tools that I'm going to show you, so that you can start earning money right away. The second site that is also great for starting this type of jobs is Guru.com. Guru.com is also a freelancer sites where freelancers are doing their jobs daily. And if I search in their search section as background removal, you can see they have lots of freelancers doing background removing jobs and earning very decent amount of money daily. And this is really cool to work with. So I'm going to right now show you the first site where you can make some background removing jobs completely free and 100% automatically. And the first site is remove.bz. Remove.bz is a background removing site that is free, and they remove it 100% automatically. No work needed from you. If you are do not know any photo editing software, or you cannot do it manually, then definitely this is the first choice for you to start making money with them. So when you go over to this site, you can see that you just not only can remove those backgrounds, but you can also change those backgrounds using some images, and they are really cool, and you can just send this to your buyers and you are done, you get money. So if I just want to remove background from some image, for example, if I click on upload image, and this page, it will show the browser, and you can just upload some photos. For example, I have downloaded some photos from pixabay.com. So for instance, I just choose this model here, and you can see just it's updating and it's working and removing background, and just magic. See, they have removed backgrounds from this model and it's already looking great. So you can just download the HD version of it and give it to your buyer, and you're good to go with them. So the next site that I'm going to show you is clippingmagic.com. Clippingmagic.com is also a really cool background removing site, but they have some precision over remove bg, cause I'm going to show you another example here. Like if I upload this coffee image like this, and they are working on it, and you can see that if you need the cups only, it already removed the background of it, but I if I need the cup only, that is a little difficult here. If I click on edit, and if I like choose, I can change background, that's okay with that if you need. But for instance, if I want to remove this plate also, I just need the cup, then this is a little difficult for this, cause they have a erase option, and you can erase it, but you cannot do it perfectly. See, you cannot do it perfectly. There is a problem with that. But they if you want simple background removal work, then this site is already awesome for that. But if you want more perfection, more perfect work for you, then I'm going to suggest clippingmagic.com. They are really awesome. You just have to drag some lines out there, and it's done for you. For example, for the same image, if I choose the first image, like the model here, if I choose that image, it's loading, it's initializing, and it's working background, and boom, you get already they have removed the background from it. And see how perfect this is. If you not know if you need more precision, you can do that as well. But for this video purpose, they work like some green green lines and red lines. You choose the red one right here, and just draw some lines on the image, and the portion of those images that you want to remove, and that you want to get removed, and you just draw some lines around those parts of image, and you are good to go. And you select the green button here, and green line is for to keep those images. So if I want to keep this part of of the image, I just drag green lines here, and I will good to go with that image. And you can see it's just simple line drawing option here. Just draw some lines and you get a good image from it. But the thing is, you remember the thing here with the coffee cup, and let's try the coffee cup here. So let's move on to the coffee cup image, upload it here. So select the coffee cup image, and it's loading. and it's working background, and you can see it's definitely as like remove busy, it's already removed the background of it. But if I want the cup only, not the plate below, so what I can do, I just use these red and green options here. So for instance, if I want to keep the cup here, so I select green and draw lines inside the cup area. You do not need to be perfect on it, just drag around it and you're good to go. So you have selected the cup image that you're going to keep in this image, but you want to remove this part. So you select red ink here, and then you just draw lines from here. You see, it's like magic. You're seeing how cool they are removing this plate from your cup. You see, it's already done. It's already done. This is really awesome. See, it's perfect. You get the cup, and it's just in 10 to 20 seconds work, and you get a perfect model extracted from that image, and you remove the background without any photo editing software, without any complex works. It's really cool to work with. And then you just download it and send it to your buyer so that the buyer can pay you, so that buyer and keep the work going. So what's the catch here? The catch here is all these two tools are free to use, but to get better professional output from them, you need to pay some amount of money to get that image done or downloaded in a high resolution or in a professional way. So do not get worried. The thing is, you upload your project or gigs on People's Per Hour and Guru.com, that, and you can see peoples are getting traffic from there, and you do not have to pay upfront to any tools, Clipping Magic or Remove Busy. You do not have to pay upfront. You just post it, post your jobs, and promote your work regularly, and people going to get traffic, and people all around the world are going to see your project and gigs. And when they ask you, when they want that job done from you, then you get the image from them, then remove those backgrounds from here, and you just have to pay some $2.5 per month. This is really cool. And $5 per month for a standard package, this is already cool. And you can use lots of image for that, and you can download lots of images with that amount of money, and it's just a minimum. But the minimum payment from your buyer you're getting is $10. So from those $10, $2.5 is nothing. All of the rest is your profit. And if you level up yourself on Guru and People Per Hour, more you level up, more you get more professional, more expertise you are, then you will get more subscriber, more people, more buyer, and you can ask higher amount of money like $15, $25, $40 and more to work, to done the same work, and the profit will go bigger and bigger, and you will get more money every day. So for the start, you can lower your payout rate so that there is a better chance you get accepted. And like for $10 people are doing this work, if you just ask for $5 or more, $5, $6 or more, then there is a better chance you get buyers. And then when couple of order, you will get promoted, you will level up, and then you can earn even more money from them. This is a really simple tricks, a simple tips to progress in those freelancer sites. So I recommend just go with this, just upload it, upload your gigs and promote it and ask little money to start if you're a beginner, and then do your work regularly. It's just a magic. It's just a 20-second work, just drawing some lines like this, and you are good to go with this. And more you get buyers, you can increase your wages and you will earn more money daily. So this is the method. If you want to earn more money, you have to be active. Money will always follow you. So if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe down below. See you later, and thanks for watching.